That was when that real bad thunderstorm was happening.
Yeah. And we stayed in there or what?
No, it was gonna happen. It didn't happen yet.
Oh, okay.
And then it happened. Yeah, I just have to head back today,
Okay.
But doesn't mean I'm leaving quite yet.
I just wanted to let you know that I appreciated all the help you gave us.
Mm-hmm. I like helping you guys.
Mm-hmm. Holy shit. Mother. My
That's probably...
God.
No, that's probably those people.
But I am going to park right here.
A lot of the people that live in these homes
Mm-hmm.
probably parking the parking spaces.
No, maybe.